Hello friends, this is Yvette of Yvette Creates, and I am a member of the Not2Shabby Shop design team. Today I'm going to be making some fun cards using some patterned paper from the December 2024 box of the month. Alrighty, so I am using the December 2024 Sheetload of Cards sketch. I'm not going to make the full 8 cards though, I'm going to make 4. So I know this sketch calls for 12 by 12 paper, but you can make it work with 6 by 6 paper, which is what I'm going to do. So let's get started by choosing which papers I'm going to use. And they're all so pretty. It's kind of hard to choose. And so using the Sheetload guide, I will get 1 card out of each 6 by 6 piece of pattern paper. Alrighty, so now I'm pretty sure I'm going to just use the reverse side of each one. So it would go this way. And then here's our red with the red glitter. And this will have the pink glitter. See, I think that looks great. Now what I do need is I could use a circle, or I could just use maybe the larger pieces of ephemera. So let's take a peek at our ephemera here. Because you can always adapt these sketches. That's what I love about sketches. They're a great jumping off point. But you can use what we have. For example, I could use just this large gift ephemera and maybe the I love you sentiment here. That would be cute. Instead of cutting out that circle that is called for on the sketch. So let's kind of go through these and see what we have as options. I might put a little piece of ephemera on the inside of the card too. So let me see, I can put a little envelope on the inside of that one, a little heart maybe, or a little kitty on the inside of that one. Let me see what else I have. Maybe the 2 kitties on the inside. Oh no, vice versa. A little kitty on that one, the 2 kitties on that one. And a little gift on this one, kind of to coordinate with what's on the front of the card. Then you also need a piece of cardstock behind here. So that piece is cardstock 1, and it should be cut at 5 1/4 by 1 7/8. Alrighty, so we should probably start assembling our cards now. So I kind of want to go in mass production, kind of assembly line style, in an assembly line style. So I will put this off to the side, kind of remembering which one goes where. These go here, these go here, and I can start assembling my cards. So let me play a little bit of music as I put my cards together. All right, friends, here are my 4 completed cards using the Love Cats patterned paper and coordinating ephemera from Not2Shabby's December 2024 box of the month, as well as the December 2024 Sheetload of Cards sketch. Now, didn't they turn out cute? Let's take a quick look at each of them. Here's this one with a little single kitty with his bow tie, so cute. And then we have the matching smaller ephemera on the inside. And then this one has our 2 little kitties in a heart. So I added an envelope, a gift, and a heart with a lock on it, you know, for someone that holds the key to your heart. And then a little envelope on the inside as well. And these I love you sentiments were also part of that ephemera pack, by the way. And then we have our 2 little cats here. And then the smaller version of that same ephemera on the inside. And then last but not least, we have these little cats on the red. And I added a little gift to match with the gift on the outside. And doesn't the black just help those papers pop? I'm glad I went with the black card base. I think it was a good decision. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I hope I was able to provide you with some inspiration today. Until next time, bye!